Hello, hi, this is Kenny from Ohio, and I'm going to be dramatizing you the OmniShaver. I've been using this for 4 weeks and it works incredibly great. I would recommend you to use this. So without any further ado, I'm going to show you a demonstration of the OmniShaver. This is basically a pretty easy thing to use. You're basically going to wet it and use it back and forth. Do not rush doing this. Take your time. Just take it back and forth real slow. And as you get familiar with this, you'll be able to go a little bit faster. I had to learn myself how to do this. You'll find it's a lot better than spending money than going to the store buying all these razors, which is simply ridiculous. Just back and forth. Shift hands. Take your time. I would suggest you watch the video at least a few times so you know what you're doing. Video is the best way, that's how I learn. I've been using it for 4 weeks now. Works very well. But you're not going to be a pro overnight. Anything it takes time to work with. You don't have to rinse. In this case, I might. I don't know for sure. But you don't really have to. Just keep going, going, going.
I think you should.
And just keep going. That's back a bit.
Good.
My wife taped it for me. Make sure you rinse when you're done. You don't necessarily have to stop and rinse. It's up to you. Okay, let me rinse this off. Let me show you what it looks like after it's done. And then you make the decision for yourself. I would say yes. Back up right there. Back right?
Yep.
Okay, you can see the back. Pay attention. Here's the side. Here's the other side. And here's the front. I recommend you get this. This is a very good razor. Excellent razor. This is from Kenny from Ohio. OmniShaver.